Fun fact, the Ibo Apprenticeship Program has been one of the most successful systems in the whole of Africa. And what it is about, you have someone that is already established in a business and someone comes and learns from him 10, 15, 20 years after they do freedom, they get capital and they start their own business. Now, how can you relate this to real estate? Here at GTex, we have a fantastic structure whereby you can come in as an intern for 6 months. You learn all the nitty-gritty about real estate from the likes of Dr. Akintayo, who is Africa's biggest investment coach in real estate and in mentorship. You learn from other CEOs who have started their own journey as an intern, like I am. I started as an intern in 2018, and today I'm the CEO of GTexthomes. You learn from the likes of Martha, you learn from the likes of Vivian, from Jessica, people that have traveled all over the world in real estate because they've made commissions for themselves. And this can be you. Now watch a video of Jessica, who started with us less than 1.5 years as an intern, and now she just won a car, being one of the top salespeople in the year 2024. And that's not all. That can be you. You can earn commissions in Naira, in dirhams, in dollars, in pounds, right? And this internship is not only open for people in Lagos. You can be in Lagos, we have offices in Abuja, in Port Harcourt, in Ibadan, Abuja, in US, in UAE, and also in UK. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link in that video or message that phone number and get started becoming a billionaire with GTexthomes.